Good morning, children. Welcome to your maths class. So, children, as you know that we already finished our previous chapter. So, today we are going to start our new chapter. So, children, before starting, tell me one thing. If we, when you go to any shop to buy your favorite toys, okay? So, what do you want for buying it? Okay, or we can say that what you pay for buying your favorite toys. Yes, you need money. Without money, you are not able to buy anything. Yes, correct. So money is very important for buying purposes. Correct. So today we are going to learn some more facts about the money and money. Okay, about your Indian currency. So everyone, open your page number 127 in your Fusion Sem 2 textbook and be ready with your pencil. Okay. Okay, so name of this chapter will be money. Okay, children. So see, let's learn something about money. Okay, what is money? What is the uses of money? Okay, everything. Yes, children. Okay, so there are some coins which is currently used in India. It is 50 paise, and this is 1 rupee coin. This is 2 rupees coin. This is 5 rupees coin. Yes, and there are some notes which is also used as a currency in India. It will be 5 rupees note. Yes, this one will be 10 rupees note. Yes, some more notes, 20 rupees notes. Yes, and this one will be the 50 rupees note. Yes, and this is 100 rupees note. Okay, now see, if we have 1 rupees and 2 rupees, so they make them give amount of using different. So how we can get the different combinations of the number? If you have 1 rupees coin, and again if you have a, we called it as a coin of 1 rupees, or when we have 2 rupees, so it will be coin of 1 rupees of 2 makes 2 rupees. Okay, if we have 2 coins of 1 rupee, then it will be 2. 3 rupees, when you have 2 rupees coin and 1 rupees coin. Okay, or how we can make 3 rupees, when we have 1 rupees of 3 coins. Okay, children. Now see, 1 rupees, 2 rupees and 5 rupees. So then how many amount we can get the different combinations and get the different amount. Okay, so for example, 4 rupees. For 4 rupees you have coin of 2 rupees of 2 coins of 2 rupees, so it makes 4 rupees. Okay, now again 4 rupees, coin of 1 rupees of 4. If you have 4 coin of 1 rupees, then it makes 4 rupees. Okay, now 6 rupees. If you have a coin of 5 rupees and 1 rupee, then it will make 6 rupees. Okay, now again 6 rupees, how you can get? When you have the coin of 1 rupees and 1 coin of 5 rupees, then they make 6 rupees. Yes. Okay, so now we will learn more about this. Okay, so the now children, we are going to learn some more facts about the currencies. Okay, so everyone be ready. Okay, so firstly we are going to learn about the some Indian currency notes. See, this is the 5 rupees notes. Okay, then we also have 10 rupees note. See, this is 20 rupees note, and this will be the 50 rupees. Yes, and next will be 100 rupees note. So see, children, these are the some Indian currency notes. Okay, after that we are also going to learn some Indian coins. See, this is the 50 paise, 1 rupees, 2 rupees, 5 rupees and 10 rupees. So these are the some coins which are used for the buying purposes. Okay, children, so these are the some coins. So children, there is a one more fact about the coins and the rupees. You have to learn it. Okay, see, this is the 50 paise. Okay, when we add 50 paise in it also, so it will be 100 paisa, and 100 paisa will be equals to 1 rupee. Okay, so when we have two coins of 50 rupees, when we have two coins of 50 rupees, it will be make 1 rupee coin. Okay, or we can say that 1 rupee is equals to 100 paisa, or 100 paisa is equals to 1 rupee. Okay, now, so now after the understanding of the concept, now come to the, this is the practice time. Yes, so let's start practicing. Okay, so in, see, in this question number 1, we have to, what we have to do, add and write the total value of the coins. The first one has been done for you. Okay, see, there is a one, two coins are there, 1 rupee coin and 1 rupee coin. So two 1 rupee coins makes 2 rupees. Okay, so in the same manner we have to find out the total sum of the remaining questions. Okay, so see, here the first coin is 5 rupees and second coin is 2 rupees. So 5 plus 2 will be, correct, it will be 7 rupees. Now moving to the next, see, 2 rupees, 2 rupees and 2 rupees. So 2 rupees to 2 rupees plus 2 rupees will be 4. 4 plus 2 rupees will be 6. So what will be the answer? It will be 6 rupees. Okay. Now again, here we have two coins of 5 rupees and 5 rupees. So 5 plus 5 will be 10. And after that we have two more coins, 2 rupees. So 10 plus 2 will be 12. So the total amount will be 12 rupees. Okay. Now moving to the next one, here we have a one coin of 10 rupees. So 10 plus 2 will be 12. 12 plus 1 will be 13. So total amount will be 13. Okay. So now question number 2, add the amounts on the price tag and write the answers. So see, here we have 5 cupcakes. The amount of the cupcakes will be the same for each cupcake, and the amount of each cupcake will be 10. And how many cupcakes we have? 5. So children, how we can find out the total number amount? We already learned in the multiplications. Now how many groups are there? See, 1 2 3 4 5. 5 groups of 5 groups of cupcakes of 10 rupees. So it will be 5 into 10 rupees. Yes, so it will be 50. See, 5 into 10 rupees, it will be 50. Okay, children. Now moving to the next. See, now here we have chocolates. How many chocolates are there? 3 chocolates are there. And what is the cost of one chocolate? So it will be 5. Okay, so how many groups we have? 3 groups of 5 chocolates. So it will be 3 into 5. So 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. So the answer will be 15 rupees. Okay, now here we have 2 ice cream. Cost of one ice cream is 30. Second 20. So 30 plus 20 will be 50 rupees. Okay, now see, here we have to find out the total amount. Here we have one sandwich, and the rate of sandwich is 40 rupees, and coffee is of 15 rupees. So what is the total amount of 40 plus 15? So children, 40 plus 15 will be added. Yes, so it will be 55. Okay, come to the next question. What is the amount of money in each purse? Fill in the blanks. Okay, we have to, you have to fill in the blanks. Okay, so what you have to do, see, there is a purse, you have to count the only coins. Okay, so see, for we can understand with the help of these given example. Here we have one coin and one coin, so two one coins make 2 rupees. Now correct. Now see, in the second purse B, we have coins of 1 and 2, so total amount will be 3 rupees. Yes, after that see, 10 plus 1, so it will be 10 rupees plus 1 rupees, it will be 11. Correct. Now D, 5 rupees and 5 rupees, it will be 10 rupees. Yes. In E, 5 rupees plus 5 rupees, then 1, it will be 11. Next one, 10 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 3. 10 plus 3 will be 13 rupees. Okay. Now G, here we have 5 rupees plus 1 rupees plus 2 rupees plus 1 rupees. So let's count. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So the total amount will be 9 rupees. Okay. Now the next one. Here we have coins of 1, 2 and 5. So 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So it will be 8 rupees. Okay, children. So everyone, this is about the money. Here you have to only complete with the help of the given PDF. You have to complete this work. Okay, so everyone complete your work. Okay, with the help of the given PDF.